this tune has a lot of draw for a really long time, so it's a good one for practicing those little bits of air when you have a note on the press. I'll play just the A part one time, then I'll break it down. So it starts on the D. So we've got D, A, B, A, and I'm giving that D an extra little kick to kind of show what the rhythm is, because it's a weird long note. You want your listener to know where you are. That's the F sharp down there. So it's a D major arpeggio with a little B in it. Still on the pole, it's a lot. So that's A, B, D, and then the same. A, B, A, F sharp, A. So let's put them together. Now the trick here is to just make sure that your hands aren't moving apart very fast. If you play at a volume, you play all your other tunes, you might find that you're way out here and it's miserable. So keep your hands moving slowly and only give a little push to those notes who really need it. Try actively not to let your hands move too fast and not to play very loud. There, that's A, B, D, E, F. And I do it all on the pole. So those are our first press notes. That's D, E, D, and I might put air even on both. I'll at least put it on one. So that's a nice big press B. So that's B, E, E, D, triplet, up to the G, and then down the scale. And actually I play the E over here, so that I have another note on the press. So that's on the G row, B, E, E, D, scale, and back down. So notice where I'm doing air. I end up back all the way in. Here and here. There, I don't really need it. I just did it because I was thinking about it, but you won't need it there. So there, that's the same. There it's C sharp D. So that's C sharp D, B, A, and then down the arpeggio. And you can press or pull that D depending on where you need air. So notice it's just a D arpeggio, but you have a little C sharp pickup and then a little B pickup to the A. need to review any of that, just rewind and go back to it. B part. It doesn't have the same problem there. It's all separate. It's a nice little pattern. So notice how similar it is to the A part. That's our little new bit. And it's kind of a little scale figure. So you've got A, B, A, and then G, F, and then E, D. And that's just like before. The only difference there is that I play the E at the end on the G row because I'm going to go back up here. Whereas before I played it on the C row because I was going to go down here. Say on the G row. So again, it ends just like the analogous phrase in the A part. C sharp.